Hello, welcome to ABC in Zambian languages. Today you will learn about common colors in Bemba. Common colors in Bemba.
Amalangi ayaseka muchibemba.
Black, black,
Ichafita, ichafita.
white, white,
Ichabuta, ichabuta.
blue, blue,
Makumbi, 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 makumbi.
red, red,
Ichakashika, ichakashika.
green, green,
Katapa, 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 katapa.
yellow, yellow,
Mutuntulwa, mutuntulwa.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ABC in Zambian languages.